Linux Mint has built a reputation over the years as one of the most reliable, beginner-friendly, and polished Linux distributions available. For many users, it has become the operating system they recommend to friends, family, and anyone looking to move away from Windows without sacrificing ease of use. Its familiar desktop, stable releases, and focus on simplicity have earned it a loyal community that values consistency over flashy innovation. But recently, Linux Mint has been going through changes that could reshape its future in ways many users never expected. These aren't changes that abandon the project's core philosophy. Instead, they represent a gradual evolution that could make Linux Mint more modern, more secure, and more competitive in a Linux landscape that is changing faster than ever before. That's why many people are saying Linux Mint will never be the same. One of the biggest reasons behind this shift is the growing importance of Wayland. For decades, Linux desktops relied on the X11 display server, a technology that has served Linux well but is now showing its age. Wayland offers smoother graphics, better security, improved support for modern hardware, and a more efficient architecture. Many major Linux distributions have already made Wayland their default session, but Linux Mint has traditionally taken a cautious approach. The developers have repeatedly explained that they won't switch until they believe the experience is truly ready for their users. That careful attitude has defined Mint's success, but now significant progress is being made to prepare the Cinnamon desktop for a Wayland future. Developers have been steadily working on adapting Cinnamon to support Wayland, while ensuring that users don't lose the features they depend on every day. This is far more complicated than simply replacing one display server with another. Features like desktop effects, window management, keyboard shortcuts, panel behavior, system tray applications, accessibility options, screen recording, remote desktop support, and graphics drivers all need to function reliably. Linux Mint wants users to switch because the experience is better, not because they are forced to. That philosophy continues to guide every development decision. Another major transformation involves the Cinnamon desktop itself. Cinnamon has always been one of Mint's greatest strengths because it offers a traditional desktop experience while remaining lightweight and highly customizable. Rather than chasing trends, Cinnamon focuses on productivity and familiarity. However, beneath that familiar appearance, the desktop environment continues to receive important improvements. Performance optimizations reduce memory usage, animations become smoother, startup times improve, and countless small bugs are eliminated. Many users may not immediately notice these refinements, but together they create a desktop that feels faster and more responsive than previous releases. The Linux Mint team also continues improving high DPI support, making the desktop look sharper on modern high-resolution displays. As more laptops and monitors ship with 2004K panels, proper scaling becomes increasingly important. Better fractional scaling, improved icon rendering, and more consistent application behavior help ensure that Mint remains comfortable to use on today's hardware instead of feeling tied to older display technologies. Security has become another area where Linux Mint continues evolving. Cybersecurity threats affect every operating system, and Linux is no exception. Mint has gradually strengthened its update manager, software verification, and package handling while still keeping software updates straightforward for everyday users. Unlike operating systems that aggressively force updates, Linux Mint continues allowing users to remain in control, but it also provides clearer information about security patches and recommended updates. This balance between user freedom and responsible maintenance remains one of Mint's defining characteristics. Software management has also become more polished. The software manager continues improving its speed, reliability, and overall presentation. Installing applications has become easier for newcomers, with better screenshots, clearer descriptions, and improved organization. Flatpak integration has also matured significantly. While Linux Mint originally approached Flatpak cautiously, it now embraces the format as an important way to deliver newer applications without compromising system stability. Users can access a much wider selection of modern software while still benefiting from Mint's stable Ubuntu-based foundation. Speaking of Ubuntu, Linux Mint's relationship with its upstream base remains one of its greatest strengths. Each new long-term support release of Ubuntu provides updated kernels, drivers, libraries, and hardware compatibility that Linux Mint can build upon. However, Mint carefully removes or modifies components that don't align with its philosophy. The developers continue prioritizing user choice instead of vendor lock-in, giving users more control over their desktop experience. This careful balance allows Mint to benefit from Ubuntu's enormous ecosystem while maintaining its own unique identity. Hardware compatibility continues improving as well. New Linux kernels bring better support for AMD processors, Intel platforms, NVIDIA graphics cards, modern Wi-Fi adapters, Bluetooth devices, and the latest storage technologies. As new laptops enter the market with increasingly advanced hardware, Linux Mint benefits from ongoing improvements across the Linux ecosystem. Users installing Mint on newer computers are far more likely to enjoy working graphics, better battery life, improved suspend and resume behavior, and enhanced performance compared to older releases. Gaming has become another surprising strength for Linux Mint, thanks to Valve's investments in Proton, Steam Play, Vulkan Graphics, and Linux gaming in general. Mint users can now play thousands of Windows games with minimal configuration. Combined with updated graphics drivers and modern kernels, Linux Mint has become an increasingly attractive option for gamers who want the flexibility of Linux without giving up their favorite titles. While gaming may not be Mint's primary focus, improvements across the Linux ecosystem have made it a far more capable gaming platform than it was just a few years ago. The growing popularity of open-source AI tools, developer platforms, and container technologies has also influenced Linux Mint's evolution. Developers increasingly rely on Docker, Podman, Git, Visual Studio Code alternatives, virtualization software, and cloud development environments. Linux Mint continues supporting these workflows while preserving the clean, uncluttered desktop experience that everyday users appreciate. This flexibility allows the same operating system to serve students, programmers, content creators, office workers, and casual home users equally well. Another reason Linux Mint feels different today is the maturity of its overall ecosystem. Core applications such as Nemo, Zed, Timeshift integration, Update Manager, Driver Manager, Warpinator, and System Reports continue receiving thoughtful improvements. None of these applications aim to reinvent computing, but each one solves everyday problems efficiently. Warpinator simplifies file sharing across local networks, Timeshift makes system recovery remarkably easy, and the Driver Manager helps users install proprietary drivers without needing complicated terminal commands. Together, these utilities contribute to Mint's reputation as one of the most polished Linux experiences available. Community feedback remains central to Linux Mint's development process. Unlike some projects that prioritize rapid experimentation, Mint developers frequently delay features until they meet their own quality standards. While this approach may seem slower, it has earned tremendous trust within the Linux community. Users know that when Linux Mint introduces a new capability, extensive testing has usually taken place beforehand. This conservative development philosophy may not generate dramatic headlines every month, but it consistently delivers dependable releases. The broader Linux desktop landscape is also changing rapidly. Competing distributions continue adopting immutable systems, atomic updates, AI-powered features, and entirely new desktop concepts. Rather than blindly following every trend, Linux Mint evaluates each technology carefully. Some innovations may eventually become part of Mint, while others may be intentionally avoided if they conflict with the project's emphasis on simplicity and user control. This selective approach helps Linux Mint maintain its identity despite constant industry changes. Looking ahead, the eventual arrival of a stable Wayland-enabled Cinnamon session may become one of the most significant milestones in Linux Mint's history. Once complete, users can expect smoother animations, improved touchpad gestures, better security isolation, enhanced support for multiple monitors, more reliable graphics handling, and stronger compatibility with future Linux technologies. Although some legacy applications may require adjustments, the long-term benefits make this transition increasingly inevitable. At the same time, Linux Mint continues proving that innovation doesn't always require dramatic redesigns. Instead of completely changing the user interface every few years, Mint evolves through hundreds of carefully considered improvements that make the operating system feel more refined with each release. Existing users can continue working comfortably while benefiting from faster performance, stronger security, better hardware support, and a steadily modernizing desktop environment. So when people say Linux Mint will never be the same, they don't necessarily mean it is abandoning the principles that made it successful. Quite the opposite. Linux Mint is changing by modernizing its underlying technologies while preserving the familiar experience millions of users already love. It is preparing for the future without forgetting the people who rely on it today. That balance between innovation and stability is incredibly difficult to achieve. Yet it is exactly what has made Linux Mint one of the most respected Linux distributions in the world. As Wayland development progresses, hardware support continues expanding, applications become more polished, and the desktop grows more capable with every release. Linux Mint is entering a new chapter. It still feels like the Linux Mint users trust, but beneath the surface, it is evolving into a platform that is ready for the next generation of Linux computing, ensuring that its best years may still be ahead.